Hello! It is that time of the week again where we are sitting down and making up our meal plan to make life easier. And you know what? For the next 2 weeks, it's going to be super easy because this human is busy. So I'm home tomorrow. Tomorrow it is going to be steaks. We have some portobello mushrooms in the fridge that need to get used up. And salad. And there's going to be, I think, a chicken breast for my daughter. Yeah, that's what I think. Okay. Tuesday. I know I'm going to skip all over the place. Tuesday is going to be takeout. Thursday we're going to do drumsticks and salad. Now, so everybody knows I have my little cheat sheet over here. I do this off camera. I probably should do a video on how I do all these, but that's not for today. Let's do nachos on Monday. We're going to do brisket. And we always make sandwiches when we do brisket, so that's it. It's brisket and fries, really. So what do I have left? I have breakfast for dinner. We'll do that Friday. Spelt that wrong, don't care. Breakfast for dinner. And we don't really have too much going on this week. My husband has a baseball game, and that's really about it. I'm gonna try and actually get to Aquafit this week. I missed going. Oh, there's my son. I missed going last week. So we're going to do pork chops, rice, veggies. I might even have some stuff to do a canning session by the weekend. I highly doubt it, but we don't know. But I know the potatoes out of the bags are almost ready. But anyway, that's a whole different video. Okay, there's my week. Tomorrow we're having steak, Monday nachos, Tuesday is going to be takeout, brisket and fries on Wednesday, Thursday drumsticks and salad. It's just a nice easy dinner when I'm done work, and I can toss that together. And plus I can make the salad on Wednesday too, so kind of works out good for me. Breakfast for dinner, my husband's going to be cooking it. Pork chops, I'll probably be the one cooking that. Pork chops, rice, and vegetables. Super easy week for dinners. And a nice quick little video. Okay, so I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll talk to everybody again very soon. Bye.